Hello guys, you're welcome back again. I'm sorry earlier my volume wasn't that good or it was mute. Sorry, I mistakenly touched this mic, so that's the reason why it went off. But you are welcome back again here on this platform. Today I want us to look at Bitcoin. If say the market is dumping or maybe it's not, nothing is going on in the market. And those of you who are coming here who are coming here for the first time, you are watching the Beton's Crypto. Yeah, I create content that will help you make money in cryptocurrency. So you want to subscribe as we continue. Now look at the market. The market looks so bloody. Most people are scared, or investors are scared looking at what is going on in the market right now. They're thinking, okay, maybe the market is dumping. But I don't want us to rush into conclusions saying that the market is dumping, because if, say, I look at the chart of Bitcoin right now, it tells me that we are seeing just minor pullback, nothing to be concerned about. Like, look at it. It shows that Bitcoin is sitting at this support here. This support was resistance before. We saw that Bitcoin consolidated here. Let me bring this so you can see. Bitcoin consolidated here many like days before we saw this breakout to the upside, and now Bitcoin is coming back, to test that zone. So you guys shouldn't think that Bitcoin is actually dumping. That's not the case. If say you wanna always look at what is going on in the market, always make sure you look at the higher time frame. On the higher time frame, you can see clearly what is going on in the market. As it stands, Bitcoin isn't dumping, just minor pullback, which is normal. I always say to you guys here that when you see your coins or your cryptos going to the upside, make sure you start taking out profit. Profit taking is the only way you can say you are making money investing in cryptocurrency. One thing I want to show you guys is this GMX stats. Whenever I look at GMX stats and see that there are more people longing Bitcoin than those who are shorting Bitcoin, it tells me that we are about to see lots of liquidation. And when we go further to look at coin glass, we can see that for the past hour there have been 3.73 million liquidation. For the past 4 hours we have seen 26 million. For the past 12 hours 48 million, and for the past 24 hours we have seen 137 million liquidation. That's why I am always avoiding trading futures. Don't trade futures if say you don't have experience doing so. It's better you buy your coins on it's like spot trading or spot market, so that you are buying it at the market price. You don't have to borrow anything, and when the market moves 10%, you have just that amount. Not that you're going to borrow, and when the market go against you, you are liquidated. So look, these stats here are very important. If say like you need to understand, like be able to look at all these stats here to see what is going on in the market and how you can take advantage of the market. You can see here different exchanges and their liquidation. You can see what investors are doing. Like right now, most investors are like they are longing. You can see 72% on like in total, longs, which is, I mean, it's crazy to see that they are actually doing this. Well, it's good to long Bitcoin, but why not just buy it like spot? Well, everyone have their own investment mindset. I cannot go and do that anymore. I've tried to do spot trading, but each time I do futures, and each time I trade futures, it's as if I'm like, let me say, futures is not for me. I prefer options and spot. Let me just say that point blank. So let's continue, guys. If we look at Ethereum also there's a pullback also with Ethereum. We saw Ethereum break this critical level here. Ethereum have been moving around this zone that I drew here, or before that, Ethereum have been moving like sideways, trying to break this zone, and finally Ethereum break this strong um, resistance, which is now going to be support. So when you see pullback like this, it's normal in the market, because people are taking out profit. The market needs to take a little, like, to chill, calm down a little bit because of the so much hype. There should be kind of like, pull back. Some people take out profit, they enjoy, while some people will come and buy more at this zone. When they see that there's a pullback, they're gonna buy more. And that's what I'm waiting for, to see a pullback to buy more. I don't just buy like that. I wait to see a pullback before I can buy. And if say we look at different indicators or different fundamentals in the market, we can see that the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is showing neutral, like now, neutral, from 66, 65, 58, 63. Now we are at neutral. That means investors are pulling back. They are like, okay, let's wait a little bit and let's cash out some profit and chill a little bit to see where the market is going towards. Don't expect the market to always be going like up, 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 up. The market will always come back to retest different zones, and these indicators are signs for you to see and say, okay, is it time for me to take out profit, stay away from the market, or buy more? And right now, I want to tell you that if say you are to buy short term in most of your project, now is the time to accumulate, to like buy a little, and if say the price goes up, you sell, it comes down, you buy, and if say it breaks the next level, you can buy more. And what I mean by that is this. For example, if say you are buying Floki, this is Floki right now. Floki is at a strong support level. You can see here, Floki have been trying to break this zone to the downside to no avail. It's still moving to the upside, and it's still moving sideways. Like I call this accumulation zone. These are zones where investors are accumulating. So you want to be accumulating also at these zones. And if say Floki breaks, the next support is the next line, the line below, which is okay because it's not that significant dip. You can buy more Floki at that point, at that price point. That's gonna be good. And that's why I say I prefer spot, because with spot, you are not being liquidated. You can always buy more. But with futures and options, you can be liquidated like that, or your option can expire, right? And also you can be liquidated if say you trade futures. So this is important. Like look at Floki right now. If you ask me, I would say buy Floki. Well, not financial advice. I'm just saying, like, if you ask me, I'll say buy Floki. Well, of course, you need to go and do your own research. This is just based on my own analysis, and I'm telling you guys what I'm doing. So you can see here, like, but if I go to the, let's say, lower time frame, there's so much noise. Like, look at the movement. So much noise in the market. Like, look at this. You can think that, oh, Floki is going down. No. You need to zoom out. Zoom to see the bigger picture. What is going on here? And so far as we are alive, and many more days to come, you can have a good plan to say, okay, for the next week, I'm going to be buying Floki, and if say Floki, move to this upside, to this level, I'm going to take out some profit and wait. If Floki break to the upside, then I come back to retest this zone, then I buy more Floki. Don't always rush to buy any project when it's pumping. Like I know most of you FOMO here on Baby Dogecoin. You saw Baby Dogecoin moving to the upside, you FOMO, and it came back down to this level, at this zone that I mentioned always, that this zone is accumulation zone. Now, whenever you see Floki, Baby Dogecoin, at this zone, like in this rectangle, this box here, is a must buy. And I made a video saying that now is the time to buy Baby Dogecoin, because I've seen Baby Dogecoin, moving around this level, moving sideways, consolidating, and we might see a pump, and boom, you saw this pump. And some of you bought Baby Dogecoin at doing this pump. Don't buy any crypto when it is pumping. I always avoid to buy cryptos when it's pumping. Make sure you avoid that. That's not like healthy for you or for your investment, right? Now, if still we look at Casper also was pumping recently. And those of you who have been following my channel, you know that now is the time to take out profit, or you would have been taking out profit ever since. Like, for example, you look at this zone. this zone would have been a good area to just cash out your profit, right? And if say you zoom back like monthly time frame, you're gonna see here that it was but obvious to see some pullback here. Like, yeah, it was but obvious to see pullback with CSP or Casper, because if you zoom out, we saw that there is a strong resistance here. This zone here is so strong that I think it might take Casper CSP arrow some time to break this. To break this. Yeah, because this was an area where we started seeing the next swing low, right, of Casper. So it's been obvious that the market will come, test this zone, go back down, then come back with force to break to the upside. So you want to pay attention to all these zones. And if say it breaks this zone and start trading above, that's when you're gonna start looking at ways to buy more. Because if say it goes up, it will come back to retest this zone again. Like this, now it is it's resistance, and when it breaks this zone, it's gonna be support. I've made a video about support and resistance. I think that was 2 days ago. Go and watch that video. It will help you understand what I'm saying here. Support is an area where there is demand, like investors are gonna buy more at that point in time. Whilst resistance is where there's supply, like gonna dump it on you. So if say you see resistance, it means investors are about to dump the price on you from that level to you on that level. So you wanna get out most of the time from resistance, then buy at support, or sell at resistance, then buy at support. It's important you understand this trend in the market. We are also approaching Bitcoin halving, 376 days left, for Bitcoin halving, and we know that when Bitcoin is going towards this period in time, there's always an upside movement or recovery for the price of Bitcoin. So what we are seeing right now is but normal. If say we look at the history, you guys can take advantage of all this so that you are always protecting yourself or protecting your investment. Lastly, if say we look at DeFi Lima, DeFi Lima is a tool that you can look at what is going on in the market, like in DeFi, or the projects that are in DeFi that are like the blockchains, like project or cryptos. You can see we have the first is Ethereum, second is Tron, BAC, Arbitrum, Polygon, Optimism, Avalanche, Phantom, Maxim, Kronos, DeFi chain. So these are the top chains out there. If say you want to look at what cryptos out there are listed or are on this chain, different chains that are making big moves, you can click on the different chains. Like for example, if I click on Ethereum, it's gonna show me the different project that are on Ethereum chain. And if I click on Tron, the same thing, and so on and so forth. If say you click on the other blockchains like Avalanche, BAC, Arbitrum, etc. So you can come here and look at different cryptos that you want to invest in, all right? As much as also as well, you can also visit this platform to look for different coins. For example, if I go to the monthly time frame to check, this is from the top 100 cryptocurrency. If I look at the higher time frame, I want to see that Hex is really down. STX is really down. AGIX is down. And the reason why these tokens are down is because most of these tokens have been pumping. So let's say, for example, you are an investor in AGIX. When it pumped, I think that was about 10x or 5x. If you didn't cash out profit, then right now you should be crying, because this token is like going back to where it started. That's why I always say to you guys, make sure you take out profit. If say you don't take out profit, then you can start back from where you bought the token after you must have gone up like 10%, by 10x or 20x. Always cash out profit. Most people who invest in cryptocurrency want to buy Bitcoin. So they take out their profit to cash out, they cash out their profit to buy Bitcoin. So if say you're investing in cryptocurrency, don't be there thinking that that altcoin which have pumped 10x will still be there 10x. People will gonna cash out profit. And if say you don't cash out profit, they're gonna dump it on you. So avoid any dump on you. This is awesome, guys. Again, you're welcome to my platform. If say you have been watching so far, thanks for watching. If say you haven't yet subscribed, then go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and you share this content with someone else out there. If say you want to take your investment journey to the next level, you want to understand the basics, how to go about investing or trading cryptocurrency sustainably, then I'm going to recommend you to go below this video right now and connect with me through Telegram, WhatsApp, or you can follow me on different social media platforms. I am here because you are there. I want us all to make money sustainably in cryptocurrency, not get rich quick. And also, I have a masterclass that you can be part of if say you are a beginner. I'm going to take you step by step on cryptocurrency. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. What I'm going to be educating you is going to be based on my experience. And whatever you're going to see there, you're going to go and do your own research more. But I just want to guide you on how you can go about doing the research properly so that you don't make mistakes in the or maybe you don't fall in the hands of scammers. There are a lot of them out there. All right, guys, that's it for today. See you guys tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe